Close to 90% of consumers start their buying journey online, searching for products, brands, or services before stepping outside. In the digital age, if you're not on top, you might as well be invisible. The post-pandemic era has seen a rapid shift to online platforms and with it, an acceleration in the adoption of SEO and digital marketing. With rising competition, how do you stand out? Tristan Harris from Thrive says, SEO consistently provides the lowest cost per lead, ensuring efficiency in finding clients. For businesses, it's a simple choice. Go digital or go dark. If you're new to the world of SEO, don't worry, let's break it down. SEO is the art of enhancing your website's visibility on search engines. The aim? Ensuring that when someone searches for a product or service you offer, they find you. Search engines use hundreds of factors to rank websites. They crawl and index pages and then analyze them based on factors like page speed, keywords used, mobile friendliness, backlinks, and more. From small businesses to large enterprises, everyone benefits from SEO. With billions of searches daily, SEO services target specific keywords to improve your website's visibility. On-Page SEO is about optimizing the elements within your site, like internal links and meta descriptions. Off-Page SEO, on the other hand, focuses on promoting your site externally through techniques like link building and social media marketing. Both are vital. The million-dollar question. Some may see results within weeks while others might wait months, especially in competitive fields. But remember, effective SEO can bring 24/7 results from online sales to in-store visits. In the digital age, your online presence is the heartbeat of your business. Don't let it fade. Embrace SEO and stay ahead.